Okay, so now we have an equation where, again, they want the exact solutions, but they've specified the interval. So let's talk about that just a little bit here. It's saying that theta, the angle that you can find, has to be greater than or equal to 0, but just less than 2 pi. So we're not including 2 pi. But we are including the 0, okay? All right, so that's kind of important to recognize that distinction there. So here you have the less than or equal to, and here you just have the less than symbol. Okay, so let's look at our equation, 2 cosine theta. Remember, we're trying to solve for theta here in this example. Minus 3 equals negative 5. Okay, so first of all, you have to actually solve the equation. So you're going to add 3 to both sides. You know, good old algebra. And you're going to divide both sides by 2. And so now you have cosine theta equals negative 1. Now, you're thinking, okay, where is the angle? You know, what angle do I have that has a cosine of negative 1? There's a couple ways you could do this. I might draw a picture of the cosine curve and say, oh, where's that negative 1? Oh, it's at pi, So you might remember it that way, or you might think of something like this, oh, the unit circle, oh, it's negative 1 at pi. Something like that. We're not going to go around the circle multiple times. If you look at this interval from 0 to 2 pi, on your curve, you only see one solution, right? Like in the other two examples, we had like a bunch of solutions, but even if we were going around the circle once, there were still 2 solutions. But here we're only getting 1 solution. So theta equals pi, and we're done. Okay, we're not going to keep going around the circle. We're not going to add the 2k pi because it tells us not to. It says theta has to be between 0 and 2 pi. Okay? That was a fun example.